Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you for always tuning in. Hope you are fine today. Hope we're all staying safe. We're good today. Hope we're gorgeous. So I bring to you this gorgeous hairstyle. Please, if you are new here, just go ahead to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification button so that you don't get to miss it anytime I upload a new video. Do not forget to share this video to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think. First, I'm packing her hair into a pony using a small tail comb to do so. This is after washing the hair with shampoo and conditioner, and after that dry it with hand dryer so I can get like a smooth look of the hairstyle. Now I'm just using a thread to secure the pony, but before then I made sure that it's actually packed neat, like neatly packed. So moving on, for the tip, I'm just for the tip of the pony, I'm just box braiding it like so from the root down to the tip, and once I'm done we'll just go ahead to fold it and we'll then use needle and thread to just secure it. Once that is done, we'll just start applying gel on her hair. For a gel hairstyle or a packing gel hairstyle, I like to apply enough gel with my hands before I start smoothing it. Baby, can you help me 'cause I'm freezing? If you want to see me, 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night. Once I'm done with the application, I like to use a small comb to just go ahead to like comb it so that it can penetrate down to the scalp of our hair. That's the gel, so that the gel can be able to penetrate down to the scalp of our head. This before I go ahead to use a brush to smoothen it out to get a perfect or a neat smooth look of the pony. So we'll brush it down or up, or just where I have the pony, the tip of the pony, we'll just brush it, and of course by doing so it will bring out flyaway hairs. For me to secure the flyaway hairs, or just to lay the flyaway hairs, I'm just going to use thread like so to secure it so that it will look very smooth. Hair I'm using for today's tutorial is called Jamaican Locks. It's an Xpression product. The fiber is being produced by Q-Rank. Q-Rank is a brand specialized in dreadlocks fiber. The fiber is visible in Xpression dreadlocks products, as Q-Rank fiber is used in making products such as Xpression Goddess Locks, Xpression Reggae Mask, Xpression Mentor, and Xpression Jamaican Locks. Q-Rank fiber promotes your passion and freedom for styling. It has natural texture like an original African hair texture. Q-Rank gives you various styles, as you can see in Xpression dreadlock products. It is a quick, reggae, and easy to wear hair. So like I said before, I'll be styling the Jamaican locks, in which is very special and different in size and length. In a pack you get about 24 pieces, and it's available in different colors. You can get color 33, you can get a plain black, and also get like color 39 as well. It is also lightweight, and I love the fact that one can easily just hide the natural hair, as a hairstylist can easily just hide natural hair in between the locks because of its size. Or for this particular style, I'm using just one pack of the hair. For this hairstyle, I'm using just one pack, but a combination of two colors, a wine red and a plain black color. So I took about some pieces of the dread, and for me not to get a very long look, I'm just cutting. I'm using scissors to cut, reduce the length like so. Once I'm done with that, I'm using rubber band to secure it, about 2 pieces of rubber band to secure it down. To attach it to her head, I'm using extra 2 pieces of rubber band. And I'm attaching it in such a way that it will be very firm. To attach it, I'm attaching it from the front so that when I flip it, when I finish attaching it or installing it, I can now flip it down for the hairs to, that's the dress, to fall down so that it will be able to cover up all the part where I installed it. So yeah, you can either stop here or continue with the next step. Okay, for the next step, I picked about 5 dreads, just box braid it. So I did that off camera just so that I can add little, little touch to the hair. I'm using the box braided dread to further style the bottom of the pony. Okay, now I'm cutting the excess tip before I go ahead to install it. This is how I'm installing the braided dread. After wrapping the first layer, I'm securing it with needle and thread before I move on to the next layer. So we'll be sewing all layers of the hair like so. That's the box braided dread like so. And as I'm sewing it, I'm also arranging it just to give me that perfect shape I want. And to add a little highlight on the bottom of the hair, I'm using an extra dread like so, and this dread is the wine red color or red wine color. So I'm just adding it to the bottom, and I'm using, after adding it, we just go ahead to secure it with needle and thread. yeah, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed and you're able to learn something from this video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, share, please share this video, share to friends and family, subscribe if you are new here, and leave a comment on what you think. I'm so sorry I've not been replying your comments. You know, we are in the season of making hair, so I've been trying to balance the two. I'm so sorry. I will start replying your comments. Please subscribe if you are new here, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.